Episode 2. How to draw a cute minion. Hey everyone! Let's draw a fun cartoon minion with me. It is going to be so much fun. Let's get started. Head and body outline. Start with the curve draw on top. Draw a line from each side them complete with another curve to make the minion's head and body. Draw the eyes. Inside the top portion of the rectangle, draw 2 large circles for the eyes. The mouth, draw the minion's smile. Good job! Add the goggles. Around the eyes, draw 2 larger circles to form the goggles, and then 2 small rectangles. On either side of the goggles, to represent the goggle straps. Add the legs and shoes below the body. Draw 2 short legs and small shoes. You got this! Draw the arms and hands. On each side of the body, draw 2 long, curved lines for the arms. At the ends of the arms, draw small hands. Draw the overall around the minion's body. Draw a large rectangular shape to represent the overalls. Add straps over the shoulders and a pocket in the center. Finish the details. Complete the overall details by adding lines on the straps and around the edges. Awesome! Color the minion. Use gray or silver for the goggles. Yellow to color the minion's body and head, and blue for the overalls. Color the shoes and gloves black. So proud! There you have it, a fun and easy way to draw a minion. See you later, friends! Don't forget subscribe me. Thank you. Goodbye.